Yo dudes, welcome to the final part of the initial Pocket Platformer tutorial series. It's kind of funny, this one's supposed to be like this whole video set was supposed to be a lot longer, but then I realized that it's a pretty simple tool right now, and there's a lot of things that are pretty straightforward. I literally over-explain a lot of stuff, which is really nice. So, while some parts were drawn out a little bit, so I want to expand on my overview of things and just kind of fill it in with some extra little content to make the videos worth watching a little more and make it a little different than anything else that might already exist or might come out in the future. But now, as we stand at the edge of the end of the series, assuming you have already made enough for your first session, you want to call it a night, or maybe you're ready to distribute your whole game. In the settings window, press export and you'll see an HTML file downloading. Now you can run this HTML file from your computer. So to upload to HIO, you need to go to HIO, to your page, upload a new project. I'm just going to show you what I have for mine because I already have one uploaded. So when you upload your project, you'll see all this stuff. Mine's already filled out, obviously. What you'll want to go for kind of project, though, is HTML. You can also make it downloadable if you really want to, but HTML is what most people do to have it play actually in the browser. And then when you do that, you'll just upload your file, your HTML file, and it'll have you, let me see here. I'm just gonna redo this so you guys can see the full thing. Downloads, YouTube game. You'll see this screen right here, and what you'll do is you'll want to press this will be played in browser, and then that'll be the file that's played in browser. Mine's obviously not going to mess up my own project here, but that's all you have to do. Then you just fill the rest of this out. The manual setting here, this is actually not what you're gonna want. What you're gonna want to do is in Pocket Platformer's actual place here. It's like dimensions. Boom. And these are the correct dimensions, 792 by 432. Why is mine different? I was trying to cut out certain parts of the game, but it didn't. It kind of worked out, kind of didn't. But the correct dimensions are going to be 792, 432. So that's what you need to know about that one. Other than that, you just press save when you're all done filling everything out that's required, and your game will play. And there shouldn't be any issues with it playing. It just works like that. HIO supports HTML games. GameJolt probably does as well, and I'm gonna assume Newgrounds also supports them. And if you're intending to continue working on this game, you'll definitely need those files, or else you won't be able to work on it again. Because to get back to your game once you've left it, you need to hit import, and then import the HTML file for your game, and then publish it up like you're all set, you're ready to go, get back into things. But do not forget to export before you leave that tab alone. Before you refresh it, before your internet dies, you have to get that export file. So when you are done for a while, just export. It's a small file, won't take long, and you can always delete the old ones very easily. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm always open to help out with anything I can. If you have any new video ideas for things you want to know in Pocket Platformer, let me know. And hit like and subscribe if you want to see more of this kind of content in the future. So, see you guys then.